Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Today. I'm Sam and okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little tired today.
Huh. Why, Sam? What happened?
Honestly, I spent my whole morning cleaning my house, and that's actually perfect because today's topic is exactly about that. Housework.
Oh, that's very convenient timing. I'm Lily, by the way, and I promise I did not clean my house this morning.
Typical Lily.
Hey, I'm busy learning English with all of you. That's my excuse.
Fair enough. Okay, so today we're learning how to talk about housework in English. Cleaning, cooking, laundry, all of it. This is super useful vocabulary because everyone does housework no matter where you live.
Exactly. And trust me, once you learn these words, you'll start noticing them everywhere in movies, in conversations, even in your own thoughts when you're cleaning.
True. Okay, let's start from the beginning of the day. Lily, what's the first thing you do at home in the morning?
I make my bed every single day. It's a habit from my mom. She always said, a messy bed means a messy mind.
That's a good one. So, make the bed means to fix the sheets, pillows, and blankets so it looks neat.
Exactly. What about you, Sam? Do you make your bed every day?
Let's just say I'm still working on that habit.
Sam, come on.
I know. Okay, moving on before you judge me more. Let's talk about the kitchen.
Yes, the kitchen has so much vocabulary. Let's start with dishes. After we eat, what do?
We wash the dishes. That means cleaning the plates, cups, spoons, and pots after eating.
Quick question for our listeners. Do you wash dishes by hand or do you have a dishwasher?
Comment below and tell us. I personally wash by hand. I don't have a dishwasher yet.
I use a dishwasher and honestly, it changed my life.
Lucky you. Okay, next word. Wipe the counter. This means cleaning the kitchen surface with a cloth after cooking.
Right, and don't forget, take out the trash. That means removing the garbage bag and putting it outside.
Ugh, that's my least favorite task, honestly.
Why? It's so quick.
I don't know. I always forget until my house starts to smell bad.
Okay, that's very honest of you.
It's true. All right, let's continue. What about the floor, Lily? What do we do to clean it?
Two important words here, sweep and mop. Sweeping is using a broom to remove dust and small things from the floor.
And mopping is cleaning the floor with water using a mop, that long tool with a soft head.
Usually, we sweep first, then mop. You don't want to mop a dirty floor with dust everywhere.
Good tip. Now, what about carpets? We don't sweep those.
Right, for carpets, we use a vacuum cleaner. The verb is vacuum. For example, I vacuum my living room every weekend.
Great sentence. Try to remember that one, everyone.
Okay, next room, the bathroom. Not the most exciting room to talk about, but very important vocabulary here.
Yes, we clean the toilet, clean the sink, and wipe the mirror.
Simple tasks, but let me ask you something, Sam. How often do you clean your bathroom?
Once a week, usually Saturday morning.
Same here. Saturday is officially cleaning day for both of us.
We should clean houses together sometime.
Deal. Okay, let's move to laundry. This is a big topic.
Yes. First step, do the laundry. This means washing your clothes, usually in a washing machine.
After washing, what's next?
We hang the clothes to dry, or we use a dryer if we have one.
And once they're dry,
We fold the clothes. Fold means making them neat, usually in squares or rectangles.
honestly, folding clothes is my favorite housework task. It's very relaxing for me.
Really? For me, it's the most boring one.
Okay, everyone's different, I guess.
True. Okay, one more laundry word. Iron. That means using a hot iron to remove wrinkles from clothes.
And wrinkles are those small lines or creases you see on clothes, especially shirts.
Great word. All right, everyone. Before we continue, quick reminder. If you're enjoying this episode, please subscribe to Mr. English Today. It really helps our small channel grow, and it means new episodes reach more people like you every single week.
Yes, please. It only takes one tap, and it helps us keep making these free lessons.
Okay, let's continue. Living room time, Lily.
Ah, yes, the living room. Here, we usually tidy up. That's a general phrase, meaning to make a place neat and organized.
For example, every evening I tidy up my living room before I sleep.
Nice example. We also dust the furniture. Dust means removing the tiny dirt particles from tables, shelves, and other furniture.
What do you use to dust, Lily?
A soft cloth, usually. What about you?
I actually use a small feather duster. It's kind of fun to use, honestly.
A feather duster? That sounds fancy.
It makes cleaning feel less boring, trust me.
Okay, for people with a garden, let's add two more words. Water the plants, giving water to your plants so they stay healthy.
And cut the grass, or some people say mow the lawn. Both mean the same thing.
Great extra vocabulary for our garden-loving listeners.
Now, here's a fun question for everyone listening. Which housework task do you hate the most? Comment below.
For me, it's definitely ironing. I avoid it as much as possible.
For me, it's cleaning the bathroom. I always find a reason to postpone it.
Very relatable, Sam.
What can I say? I'm only human.
Okay, let's do a quick game before we finish. I'll say a sentence with a mistake, and Sam has to fix it. Ready?
Oh no, here we go. Okay, ready.
Yesterday, I vacuumed the carpet.
Ha, easy one. It should be yesterday I vacuumed the carpet. Past tense.
Correct. Okay, one more. She fold the clothes every day.
She folds the clothes every day. We need the S for third person singular.
Excellent. You're really good at this, Sam.
Years of practice. Okay, your turn, listeners. Think of your own sentence using today's vocabulary and put it in the comments. We'll check it for you.
Great idea. Okay, before we say goodbye, one more reminder. Subscribe to Mr. English Today if you haven't already. New episodes every week, and each one helps your English sound more natural.
Now, let's look ahead a little bit. In our next episode, we're going to talk about something really exciting, how to talk about the future in English. Predictions, plans, hopes, using words like will, going to, and might.
Yes, and we're even going to use the World Cup final as an example, because everyone loves predicting who's going to win.
That's going to be such a fun episode, perfect for talking about sports, dreams, and everyday plans too.
So get ready for that one. It's going to be really useful.
Before we go, here's your homework. Leave one comment telling us what housework task you do every single day, and don't forget to try making a sentence with today's vocabulary.
I'll be reading the comments, and I promise I will reply to as many as I can.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. You're doing amazing.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now, everyone.
Bye-bye.